NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang said during an interview that they are working to make computers smarter so that people don't need to get a degree in computer science and learn how to program a PC. He also says that it's our job to create computing technology such that nobody has to program and that the programming language is human. Everybody in the world is now a programmer. This is the miracle of AI. Elon Musk says AI will replace need for all jobs and create universal high income. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about Devin AI, the so-called the first AI software engineer. Devin has sparked a lot of discussion with some worried it might replace human programmers. Let's break down what Devin can do, why those fears might be misplaced, and what it means for the future of coding. So why the fear? Let's be honest. AI advancements often lead to job displacement fears. Programmers are worried Devin might take their jobs. Here's the thing, Devin is currently an AI assistant, not a replacement. So what can Devin do? Developed by Cognition Labs, Devil excels at automating repetitive tasks. It can write boilerplate code, fix bugs, and even adapt to new technologies. Think of it as a supercharged coding buddy that handles the tedious stuff. It's a kind of marketing strategy. Instead of naming it as Devin GPT, an AI assistant, they said it as AI software engineer in order to spark the boom and market it for itself. So let's talk about Devin's limitations, why it won't replace programmers. Here's why Devin won't steal your job. First, understanding requirements. Devin can't grasp what clients truly need. It lacks the human touch to understand a project's purpose and translate it to code. It's not easy as well. Think of a big picture. Devil excels at specific tasks, but software development is a complex puzzle. Humans are still essential for designing the overall architecture and user experience, especially when you want to benchmark something.
This is so slow.
Next one is domain expertise. Devin might be a coding whiz, but you bring deep understanding of the specific field your software operates. It's like healthcare or finance. So Devin's marketing hype was cool, but what is the actual reality? There's some speculation that Devin might be more marketing strategy than revolutionary tool. Some experts compare it to a large language model like ChatGPT, but with a flashier title. It's important to be critical of marketing claims and focus on Devin's actual capabilities. The future of coding with AI. Devin replacements a shift towards human AI collaboration. Here's what it means for you. It increases efficiency. Devin tackle the mundane task, freezing you to focus on innovation and problem solving. It actually develops faster cycles. With Devin's help, development team can work faster and more productively. Learning to work alongside with AI tools like Devin will be valuable skill for future software engineers. So here comes the question. Should you keep learning to code? Even with Devin around, coding skills are still essential. Here's why. Staying relevant. The ability to work alongside AI will be the key in future job market. Advanced tasks like Devin might be able to handle the basics, but complex projects requires human expertise. You must be a bit smarter than AI. The future is uncertain. AI is still evolving and its role in software development is yet to be fully defined. If you're worried about AI replacing software engineer jobs, something like Devin could also replace some aspects of human work like automobile industry, repetitive assembly line tasks. Robots are already heavily used in car manufacturing for welding, painting and parts assembly. AI advancements could see them take on even more complex tasks like installing components or handling delicate materials. Quality control. AI-powered vision systems can inspect vehicles for defects with higher accuracy and consistency than human inspectors. Even gym trainers, like it could give personalized workout plans, like analyzing the user data for fitness goals, health metrics, and create personalized workout routines. Even the virtual trainers might lose their job, like interactive AI trainers could guide users through exercise routines with real-time feedback on form and technique. Even there are other examples like customer service. Chatbots powered by AI can handle basic customer inquiries, freeing up human agents for more complex issues. Data entry and bookkeeping. AI can also automate data entry tasks from forms and invoices, significantly reducing human workload. Paralegal work. AI can analyze legal documents, identify relevant information, saying paralegals time and effort. It's important to remember that AI is unlikely to completely replace these jobs. Instead, it will likely automate repetitive tasks, allowing human workers to focus on higher level skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity. While Devin's ability to automate repetitive tasks might raise concerns about replacing software engineers, it's important to remember that AI tools like Devin are more assistants than replacements. The complex problem solving, creative thinking, and domain expertise humans bring to the table are irreplaceable in many fields. However, the emergence of AI like Devin does highlight a trend towards automation across various industries. This means that while some jobs might be replaced, others will evolve. The key will be to develop the skills and knowledge to address the new challenges that's with AI integration, such as creating and maintaining these complex tools. Devin is an exciting development, but it's not the end of software engineers. Embrace Devin as a powerful ally, keep learning new skills, and you'll be well positioned to thrive in the evolving world of software development. See you until next time. Bye.